5 array functions you need to know in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Need to flip the rows and columns in your data table? Instead of manually interchanging each row and column, try the transpose function. Just select the data you want to transpose as the array argument, and Excel will automatically flip your data. Never waste time typing out numbered lists again using Excel's sequence function. Sequence quickly and easily creates a list of sequential numbers for you. Just enter the number of rows you want in the sequential list as the rows argument. The remove duplicates data tool is out, and the unique function is in. The unique function returns a unique list of values in an array by removing the duplicates. Unique can return unique rows or columns from the array using the by column argument. Need to quickly apply filters to your data? Try using the filter function. Filter filters an array by applying a criteria to the data and returning all of the entries that meet the criteria. Sorting data is a simple yet effective way to analyze data. The sort function sorts data based on a column within the dataset. The sort index is the column the data is sorted by, and sort order determines whether to sort the column in ascending or descending order. To learn such advanced skills with AI, enroll for the Advanced Excel course with AI Automation at Digital Guru Computer Training Institute.